Welcome back to this React.js beginner series. In this video, we'll install everything you need to start building with React, including VS Code, Node.js, and finally, we'll set up our very first React app. What is VS Code? Visual Studio Code or VS Code is a lightweight but powerful code editor. It is where we'll write, manage, and edit all of our code. It includes features like syntax highlight, extensions, and integrated terminal support, making it a great choice for React development. First, we'll go to Google and search VS Code download and then click enter. Then we'll click on the first link. We'll click on Windows and then save file. When the download completes, run the installer file, accept the license agreement by clicking I accept the agreement, then click next. Click next throughout the setup options. Click install, let the installment finish, then click finish to launch VS Code. Go to Google again and type Node.js download. Click on the first link, scroll down, and then click on Windows Installer and save. When the installer finishes downloading, run it, a setup window will open. Click Next. Accept the license terms by selecting I accept the terms in the license agreement. Click Next throughout the default settings. Finally, click Install. If Windows asks for permission, click Yes to allow installment. When the installment is complete, click Finish. We'll go to Node.js and click the drop-down arrow. From there, we will select Windows Command Prompt. And then a new tab will open. We will type node /v. Click Enter. And then we'll type npm /v. And then again click on Enter. Now let's create the actual React app. Type this command carefully. npx create /react/app my/react/app. Make sure there is a space after npx and another space after create /react/app. Then press enter. React will now install everything it needs. It may take a couple of minutes depending on your internet and system speed. Once it's done, you will see a message that says, "Success, created my first React app." That means your first React project has been created successfully. Congratulations, you just created your first React app. In the next video, we'll start coding and build a real website using React components. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss it.